Hello, I'm Masha and this is my YouTube channel about modeling, about how to walk, how to pose, and I'm sharing my daily beauty hacks, how I take care of my skin, how I apply my makeup, and so on and so on. And in this particular video, we're gonna talk about 10 essentials items every model must have. If you don't have it and you're into modeling, please buy it. So first of all, it's gonna be a makeup kit. And it should consist from foundation, concealer, eyebrow gel, couple of lipsticks, maybe one nude, one bright, couple of lip glosses. You should definitely have some moisturizing lip balm without any color and always take it with you on castings and on shootings. There must be some blush, maybe highlighter, mascara, maybe one or two eyeshadows, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so you can maybe before casting, maybe sometimes on shootings you need to do your own makeup, it can be as well. So you have all the tools that you need to apply makeup. And of course, don't forget about brushes for applying your makeup and beauty sponge, beauty blender to apply your foundation. So it looks much more nicer than when applying with a brush. Secondly, do have a lot of scrunchies, a lot of hair clips. So in any moment, at any casting, you can always clip your hair, because from my perspective, they always do that. They always ask, oh, but can you make a low ponytail? So it's really useful and I always lose them, so buy a lot. Thirdly, you need to buy high heels. And be sure that your high heels is a good fit for your leg. So it's not shortening your leg, because this classical one, high heels, they not look good on every kind of legs. So maybe it's better to buy some open high heels, or I don't know, high heels on a platform, and make sure they're comfortable, because they can look amazing and they can cost $1,000, but they're not gonna be comfortable and you're not gonna walk like a queen in them. So make sure, for example, my high heels, they're from Zara. I love them, they're pretty cheap. And I just love them because I'm wearing them and they just feel like sneakers, And we're getting closer to the next point, next item, it's sneakers. Get yourself a pair of really comfortable sneakers to run around, to run through the city for castings, and of course, after doing shootings usually on high heels or not in that comfortable shoes, so you always change after the shooting into sneakers and your legs are not gonna hurt. Next item is highly important, it's nude seamless underwear. And underwear must match your skin tone. And I'm calling this kind of underwear is working underwear. Get yourself a lot of pair of tops and bottoms so you can change them when you have a couple of shootings in a row. And always wear them on any shooting, because you don't have to wear something bright or black. It's gonna be see-through when you put designer clothes, so it's not right. Get yourself, maybe some of the bras can be strapless like that. It's really great for shooting some, beauty portraits. Another thing is also really, really important, get yourself bikini or underwear for snaps, for Polaroids. They not necessarily need to be black. Sometimes it can be white. If it matches not with my skin, but if you have darker skin, it's gonna look really nice and sexy. It can be, some brown color, blue, green. It's not all the time black. So try to find the perfect underwear or bikini for specifically your body type. Also, I highly recommend to get yourself a big bag, like tote bag. So you can put everything, your book, a bottle of water, some snacks, maybe high heels, maybe, another underwear. So you don't need to have a small bag. I know you want, but it's not going to work with them castings and shootings. So get yourself at least one pair of black, big bag so it suits with every outfit. Also, as a model, I do recommend to have a lot of strapless tops. They can be different colors like white, grey, black, dark blue, or olive color, not like very colorful colors like yellow or orange. Maybe it's going to be too much, because They're really great fit for your casting outfits because it's basic. You know, it's really good to wear some basic things on castings and then put additional, I don't know, accessories, hat, cap, to make you look more, I don't know, unique and more about yourself. But you definitely need a lot of like basic tops for castings as well. But these tops, they're really useful and really practical for beauty portraits. So I don't need to stand all naked, you know, or with these stickers on nipples, you know, or I don't know, in a bra. I'm standing in a proper top, you know, and anyway, you can see my collarbones, and on pictures it looks like I'm naked, so it's really cool and comfortable things to have for a model. And the last thing you must have in your wardrobe is black jeans. But for example, I don't have skinny jeans. I just hate them. My legs are, yeah, they're long and beautiful, but still I don't like low-waisted skinny jeans. I think it's not trendy. They're not looking good. And especially like on shorter legs, they're not gonna look nice. So buy black jeans, but try to find the right fit for you. For example, I have those one. It's high-waisted, and they are fitted till knee, but from the knee they are wide, like a bit like 70s. And I just love them. I'm going in them very often on castings, and no one asks me, oh, why you're not in the skinny jeans? And I feel more comfortable and I feel more stylish because, yeah, it's a cliche that models should wear just black tank top and skinny jeans and, I don't know, black heels like that. No, just try to look stylish and try to find clothes that will fit your body type. And the last thing I would recommend to buy is black jacket, leather jacket, or I would go for a jacket like that, a classical jacket, because it's gonna make every outfit look so, you know, more expensive and more chic, with a little bit wider shoulders and a little bit oversized. It shouldn't be like very tight, the jacket. And you can put it on top of any of your casting outfits, and it's gonna upgrade your outfit to the next level. You're gonna look more chic, more elegant, more expensive. It doesn't need to be expensive jacket. This one is from H&M, but it's made from wool. Make sure that you're buying a good fabric. Don't save money on fabric. It should be from wool, for example. And I think it's a great tip to look more cool on your castings and on your shootings. And this is pretty much it. Of course, it's gonna be cool if you will have more wardrobe items, more high heels, big variety of different tops, jeans, leather jackets, suits, dresses. But for now, you can start from these basic things. And good luck on your castings, and I would kindly ask you to give me a like and leave a comment and follow my channel for more content. Bye bye!